What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to talk to you about doing retail arbitrage at Walgreens. So, you might be able to hear it from my voice. I am getting a little bit of a cold. I just got back from Walgreens and I bought some things at Walgreens that I can resell on Amazon FBA. But I want to take you back, tell you a little bit of a story. Back, it was like December 27th, December 28th, somewhere around there. I had to go to Walgreens because, again, I had a cold. I was getting sick. Went to Walgreens to pick up some medicine. So from there, while I'm waiting for my medicine to be done or whatever, for the pharmacist to get it to me, I decided to walk around Walgreens still. I wasn't really thinking right. I was still, had a little bit of a head cold, and I decided to walk around. Well, I found one item, one brand that for most people it is a restricted brand. For me, it's not, but it's a great profitable brand. So I'm going to show you some of those items in just a second. But from about an hour and 20 minutes of my time going to 2 different Walgreens stores, I was able to make over $300, So let me show you some of these items. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can sell these on another platform and you can still make money. So here's some of the things I bought, I put what I paid for it, how many units, and roughly what I made from them. I say roughly because I'm factoring in, very little for shipping. If the items do come back, which none of them have yet, then obviously I don't get paid for that. I will have to reimburse the money. And then, if for some reason, something else happens, who knows what it might be. That's why I say roughly $72, and obviously that doesn't include any taxes for income that I have to pay. So, right here, it's a Barbie Fashionista doll. I paid $2.29 for each one, and I bought 8. So it comes out to about $72 profit that I'll make from those, because I'll make about $9 profit on each one, alright? And you can see down here, it's selling pretty good right now. But again, I sold these the early part of January, So we're at the end of January that I'm shooting this video, so just understand mine sold a while ago, so the prices obviously could fluctuate. Here's another item I bought. Barbie Fashionista doll number 5, You can see right here it's selling for $16.10 currently. Good ranking, 39 in toys. I bought it, this one again, $2.29. Only bought 4 units, but I ended up making about $35. Next one is another Barbie Fashionista doll. This is the cheerful check fashion doll. You can see it's 24,000 toys and games right now. Selling for $15.49, which is still good. I paid $2.29 for this one as well. Bought 11 units, so made about $81. Here's a couple different ones. And let me explain what these are in just a sec. So for any of you guys out there that go after these Barbie brands, these Barbie dolls, what you need to understand is there's a newer version of Barbie. It's called Barbie Curvy, alright? And I absolutely love these. Number one, because most people, or a lot of people now, being that they're so, politically correct, and they don't like to only show people the skinny Barbie, the typical doll, because that's not the way the majority of the world is. Now they have curvy, so a lot of people, a lot of parents are now buying their kids the curvy doll to let them know you don't have to be perfectly skinny thin to be popular, to have friends. Barbie Fashionista doll and fashions fun, emoji fun curvy. These ones usually sell for more. I actually paid $2.99 for these, bought 13 units, and I'll make about $104 total. You can see down here 45,000 toys and games. It's another good item to buy. See right here, it does come with a little bit more stuff than just your typical Fashionista dolls. Right here. You can see it. Very basic. These ones have a little bit more stuff, which usually means they cost more. It only cost me, like 70 extra cents, but I was willing to pay that because I'm going to make a little bit more money. So it's all good. Here's another item. Now I'm going to give you a couple tips when you're buying some of these items. Let me go back really quick. So here's the other item right here. The Barbie Made to Move doll, curvy with auburn hair. Curvy Currently, it's very good ranking right now. 6,000 toys and games, $15.99. See it right here, made to move. This one, I believe, is a newer item that recently came out. Okay, but it's a great item to get if you can find it. Again, I end up getting it. Well, I don't know it now. It went away now. But anyway, I think I paid $2.99 for it. I don't remember how many units I bought. Anyway, but that's not the point. The point is, you can still make money from all this stuff. Now, let's say you had this, but you couldn't sell Barbie. Well, or Babby, like this person calls it. Anyway, if you can't sell Barbie on Amazon, don't worry. What about eBay? Here it is on eBay. Let me show you this really quick. So this one right here, my guess is this person, being that's the exact same title as here on Amazon, my guess is this person actually did drop shipping, okay? But still, sold it for $37.29 a few days ago, January 26th, all right? But you look down here, okay? This one sold December 18th, okay? For pretty much $38, okay? This one right here sold November 7th. You can come down here and look. November 30th, November 7th, okay? December 15th. I don't think that's the same one, but you get the point. Okay, there's a bunch of ways to sell your items. You do not have to just sell on Amazon. Yes, Amazon is my preferred place to sell these items, but you don't have to. So right up here, let me show you roughly how much I made. All right, so you can see right here, right over here. All right, so let me show you roughly how much I made. Okay, again, why I say roughly is I haven't got any of these items back. Hopefully I don't, but you never know. All right, so profit from all those items, okay? And I bought some other things, some more. It wasn't any Barbie stuff. It was mostly medicine that I did sell. But again, I know a lot of you guys are not approved to sell medicine. Some of you are approved to sell Barbie. That's why I brought it up. But I made $344. Gas, I only drove about, I think it was like 6-7 miles to go to that second Walgreens store. So I'd say about $4 in gas. Okay, it was cold out, so I'd say about $4 in gas. That's probably being very conservative, but $4. Okay, so it took about an hour and 20 minutes to walk through the first store, get my medicine, find the few items, and then go to the second store and see if the other store had any of those items as well. Some did, so I ended up picking those up as well. So an hour 15, hour 20 minutes. Total profit $340. Profit per hour $272. Now, just be aware that is not always normal. Sometimes I'm making $15 an hour, depending on the stores that I'm going to, how far away they are, the gas, if I'm finding anything. Other times I'll make $1,000 plus per hour, just depending on what I'm finding, how profitable it is, and how many stores I can hit in that hour. So if you're still watching, okay, the reason why I want to shoot this video is because I get a lot of questions from people that say there's nothing to buy at Walmart, there's nothing to buy at Home Depot or Lowe's or Target. Where do you go to get all your inventory? Well, I don't just do retail arbitrage, I do online arbitrage, do wholesale, do private label, I do all those things. However, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and Lowe's are some of my favorite stores, my 4 favorite. But I still make money at Walgreens, at Rite Aid, okay, at other stores, at GameStop, at Marshalls, at Kohl's, at Macy's, okay, at Foot Locker. I still make money at other stores. You need to understand that just because Walmart's the biggest store and it's the most common store in everyone's location doesn't mean it's the best. It just means there's a lot of options. So if you're going to do and be successful with retail arbitrage, don't just focus on Walmart. Don't just focus on Target. Focus on your entire area, every single store in your location. If you have 15 stores and 2 of them are Walmart, great. Hit up those stores. But don't leave out, don't discount the other 13 stores, the other Target, the other JCPenney's. Because did you know JCPenney does not just sell clothing and fashion items, they also sell toys. They also sell, wallets. They sell shoes. They sell belts. They sell home goods, and they sell, kitchen supplies. They sell baby products. They sell it all. So go to your local JCPenney store and see what they have to offer. See what you can make money on. Because if you discount those stores, if you stop going or never hit those up, you're never going to see the potential profit that those can bring you. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to show you Walgreens, is because most people don't think about it. Most people never think about going to Walgreens until maybe they watch a video, maybe one of their friends or family members who goes, hey, I saw this cool toy, I bought it for 99 cents, and it normally sold for $19.99. I'm surprised you didn't see it. Well, of course I didn't see it. I never went to Walgreens, right? And until the day I went to Walgreens and saw, wow, they discount a lot of stuff. One of my favorite things they discount are shaving supplies. Okay, like the shaving heads that are normally $20, $30, $40, and they discount it down to under 10. Those are profitable. You just gotta find them. So, if you guys have any questions on how to make money doing retail arbitrage at Walgreens, just ask your questions down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you guys out any way that I can. If you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on retail arbitrage locations, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.